consistent on this channel, and not even my English learning journey. So I'm not good at that much fluent in English, but I'm trying.
Yes.
Today after so long time, you can say after 1 month I'm here.
Yes, all the same you are
So
doing great. All the same you are doing great because you speak English very fluently. And I was your way that you have taken session with native speakers, and really great. You spoke English with them on video call. So really without getting hesitation, that too so great you are doing. So tell me one thing I want to know from you, and one thing again I will ask you after that. That can be helpful for the beginners. You can consider. First of all, tell me how did you improve. Then I will ask other questions for beginners so that they will get help from you also. First of all, tell me about your spoken English. How did you improve this? Tell me. Okay, so it's a very simple process. Okay, I wanna say like I'm not doing anything special. I'm not practicing English. To be honest, like I said, I'm here after 1 month, and I like for 1 month, since 1 month I never practiced English. I started speaking, and I never like having session with anyone. So today, after so long time, after 1.5 month, I'm here and connecting with peoples and having sessions. But to be honest, I'm not practicing for 1 month. Yes. Which is yes. Like I'm little bit like some other studies or something. So yeah, I'm not just doing anything special, but the 2 months of practicing, like 2 months of speaking consistency, I have got those vocab or something, because I know that much vocab. I'm doing my masters in English, and I'm also graduate in English. Like, so maybe that's why it's a little bit like little bit easy, not that much, but little bit easy for me. So I feel consistent, like fluent sometimes, but my sentence structure is somewhere fumbling, or it's not correct. Grammatical mistakes. I made so many grammatical mistakes. Even right now I'm making so many grammatical mistakes. So it's like when you consistent with your practice, you will achieve your fluency. And sadly, I'm not consistent, so that's why I'm not improving. Yeah. Otherwise, I will improve myself, but I'm trying. Yes. So can you tell me that what you do to get fluency at speaking English? I think your fluency is good all the same. Whether you say not, but according to me, I can say good, because you speak really better. So far, today I took one session with one girl. So better than her also, like you spoke English. So tell me, how did you get fluency at speaking English without fear you are speaking? And tell them that how can we overcome the fear of speaking also, like people, those who will watch. Yes. Like I said, I'm not a perfect English speaker. I'm not an advanced learner. I'm also a beginner. I consider myself beginner because I know I just cut ties with practicing. I cut ties with like reading books for like 1 month. So it's like I continued my study, so which is in English. Which is totally in English. Yeah, I'm pursuing my masters in English, so that's why because of that I'm connecting with English, but I'm not connecting in like in language, like in personally and face to face with someone. But yeah, little bit I'm connecting. So the words repeatedly coming in my mind, and if I'm not able to describe this thing of mine, which I have failed all this 1 month, because whenever I try to speak right now, I think I'm not afraid, I'm not nervous, but the thing is, I'm not that much fluent or fluid. I can't say like fluent, because fluency is about how you the next person is like you are. You understand me easily. You can understand me easily. So I think fluency is all about this. But the thing is, like the sentence, perfect sentence structure and grammatical mistakes, you have to be like take care of those things. but it will be fine if you are making mistakes, because if you are not making mistakes, so this is something like you are not going to learn anything about English is a language, and it's a very vast language. You can't learn it in 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. It's like a lifetime process.
Yes, yes, you are right, ma'am. Because nowadays, like those who think to learn this language within 5 days, 1 days, because also on YouTube, not only from the people, but I heard on YouTube also, because many people regarding English was uploaded on YouTube. Yes, people told that please, like please learn, you can learn English within 1 day. Please watch my video, please watch this video. I will give you such tips. If you will use these all tips, you will learn speaking English within 1 day, like that. So then, whenever people will watch and will be suggested to watch that kinds of videos on YouTube, people think for watching that video quickly they click on that video, because they think like if they will see something, like suppose one person will write in thumbnail, within 1 day you will improve your English, and those who want to improve English, they will click. And I can say it is not that we can improve English language within 1 day. I can't say that we can improve English within 1 day. It can take more than 3 months, I can say, for becoming fluent. And those who have already experience about spoken English, suppose one person before 2 years he used to speak, and again after 2 years, after forgetting, again he will start, then I can say that he can learn English, because already he will have studied in English medium, and only there is one problem, that is his problem, that is like he will have forgotten English language. So it means if he will start again, I can say that he can speak English language, right? That is called experience. If you have experience, if you have talked English before 2 years, whether you have forgotten, again you can learn, because already you knew how to learn English, right? Like that.
Yes, I just want to say that, like I said, I'm from English medium background. I'm not for like English medium background, you can say, because my schooling is from Hindi medium. Then I started my college. I took admission in college, and I choose English as a subject, as an honor, and I continue with the masters in English. But the thing is, speaking. I never like speak in English with anyone, because there is no one who is comfortable speaking this language. Even in our college, even they are not even comfortable speaking English, or maybe they don't want to speak in English. I know, I'm not saying like they don't know how to speak English. They know, but I don't know why. But in this scenario, this environment of our college, or surrounded, it's like Hindi, it's like our mother tongue. So it's like all about environment somewhere. So I
Yes,
don't
yes,
have any kind of environment.
yes,
And I started speaking like, if you are not remember, you don't remember. So I want to say, like, I started from the February month, and my first conversation is with you. First ever conversation, and it's a video conversation. And I never speak in English before that with anyone.
yes. Great,
So
great.
my first conversation
Yes,
is with you. And if you
I,
wanna watch those videos, I will sure I will tag this in your chat,
yes.
and I
Maybe yes,
share.
available. That video can be available, but I haven't checked. I will check. Yes. And if you want to watch,
Yeah,
I will send you, and you can watch how did we speak. And like if you will check my old video, videos, you can consider. Earlier I have used to upload like such video. By watching that video, people used to fear at me, like what happens in that time, that people are looking at my face, and was looking different, and cloth also, and the way to put on something in my body. So really people start laughing by watching my video, like that. Problem you can consider. But I was not fearing all the same. I was not thinking anything, because if you will stay unique on video, then people will like you. Whether you will watch comedy video, so I think you will come to know this
yeah,
whole thing by watching comedy video. So I think they wear something different, they like put on something extra thing in their body, so they start showing that, showing off in front of the people, and people like them. And if you will stay simple on video, I think you will not get anything subscribers also, you will not get. And you can watch, if I talk about an example for it, like one person, Suraj Rocks, who is from Jharkhand, I think. Do you know Suraj Rocks?
oh, I don't know. I'm so sorry.
Yes, Suraj Rocks is comedian. You can consider that he works, and I think maybe from Giridih district of Jharkhand. So he's from Jharkhand, and if you will watch his video, he has got more, million of views around in all videos, in his channel. And he bought, I think, 2 3 cars also. I think like that I've heard, and I think like they work, like by joining group, you can consider, like they are in group, can be maybe around 7 6 people can be in group, and they do comedy related work, and they show to the people watch, and people became crazy to watch their video. Whenever they will open YouTube, you only mostly their short video, comedian video they will get, and if you will watch their video, I think you will start laughing suddenly, out of a sudden, like that you will burst into laugh. So yes, like that.
Videos are in English or in their own language or in Hindi?
I think that is in their own language, but they mostly use Hindi language, because their native language is Hindi, so they use Hindi only. Those who are from India, they will understand easily, like that. So if you are interested in watching comedy, you can watch, but mostly I'm not interested in watching these kinds of video. Sometimes, I watch. Yes,
Yeah, I'm
like that.
interested in like if somewhere is in English comedy, so I love to watch those videos, and I love
Yes.
to watch English stuff, English related stuff and content. You can say I love to watch all those things because if I'm not practicing, at least I have to listen. I have to listen those words those of English and about English. So
Yes.
it's very useful. If you are not like speaking is the most important part. Speaking, if when you stop speaking, you are like it's like you are not growing in your journey of learning this language. Like what I observe in 1 month, in whole my month, and some 1 week of this month as well, June month. So what I observe in all those things, or 38 or 39 days, like if you are not practicing, you are like going to be very like behind the first. You can say first. You have to start with your first day. Like your feeling is but right now my feeling is this
Yes, yes.
kind of.
Real.
Please yes, don't stop practicing English. If you are a learner, you are a beginner, you are advanced learner or something, anything, but please don't stop speaking, because I know like when I stop speaking, so now I'm facing problem, because now I was like now I'm just wondering if I don't speak, like don't cut eyes with English, so I may be very perfect.
Yes, it's great. You are perfect, And nowadays, I think this language, like has become international language. And like if I talk about any language, other language is nothing in front of English language in this time. Whether you have to travel anywhere, so at least you should have knowledge of English. Whether little bit English, broken English, it is enough. You can consider. You will make do with that much English also, right? Yes,
Yes,
like that.
as for the so you are recording right now, like from where you are recording?
Yes, I think some people think like they are unable to get recording option in this Zoom application. Teams application. Teams Microsoft application. That is their main problem. So what I did, what did I do that? Like I turn on recording option of mobile setting. Yes. So
Yeah,
you can also
so
do. I
I
think mostly
like
people don't know. So that setting, I came to know recently. Yes, like that.
I always try to record on my screen recorder, phone screen recorder. But when then it's not it's not very hectic when you try to edit the video.
Yes.
Is
It
it
is.
hectic?
No, 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 no. Because before I think it didn't used to take lots of time to edit any video, and for making you can consider. But now little bit enhancement for getting enhancement for editing video. Like it takes sometimes extra, but not too much you can say. But at least 10 12 minutes. Yes, in KineMaster application. How?
In kind of. So could you please whenever you use record your or edit your video, could you please use your screen recorder and share those things or those options with me, the screen recording?
Actually, yes. If you want, so I will send you demo video. Do you want demo video? How do I upload? Like how do I edit video? Demo video I
Yeah,
will
sure.
record, screen record. I will turn on, and then I will make like how do I edit in KineMaster application, and how do I like turn on voice. You can consider like increase voice, sound, you know.
Yes.
So that all I will tell you
Yeah.
process, and what types of magic setting like we can get in this application, which is KineMaster. But no, mostly people use, you know, other application. I don't know the application which they are using, other application besides this one KineMaster. But I can say KineMaster has, you know, become popular application for editing anything, only for those people who uses mobile, right? Like that. So they
Yes,
are
I
using.
only use
Yes.
InShot. I only use InShot, but not KineMaster. But I want to use KineMaster. So could you please give me the demo of video?
Yes,
Of
definitely. By
KineMaster.
recording, I will send you demo video. I think how do
Sure.
you know how do I set, you know, ratio? You can consider 9, ratio 9, like that. You know, I think you heard right. Yes, and 20 ratio 9, 20 ratio 9, like that. So what types of, you know, shape like we can get, like that, and which ratio is the best for making short video, and which ratio is best for making long video. So everything I will tell you, and by making I will send you, you know, demo type
Yeah,
of video
sure.
I will send you, and then you will know and you will learn if you are new to do like this. So yes.
Totally new. I'm totally new. Even I'm that much new. Even I haven't installed KineMaster
Yes,
yet. I
definitely. So have you ever edited any video in KineMaster application, or you are new, just you haven't tried it
what
once?
I just tried one time, but I'm not able to find the options, or I'm not able to do the editing properly. So I just exit. I just exit totally, and I switched on the InShot.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking for you, if you are able to give me a demo video. So please provide that video.
Okay, definitely, sure. And I think before a while, I think you told your introduction. Can you tell me again your state? What did you tell your state where you live?
Oh, I'm from Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, Himachal Pradesh. Oh, great. Yes, great. Yes.
I'm from
Himachal, I think in the border of Pakistan and India, right?
Yeah, not that much, but because Jammu is nearby.
Yes. I think some
Himachal is
people
not
were,
that
you know, I have heard about Himachal Pradesh. I think some people were killed. So which place is that? Can you tell me again? I forgot.
Some people.
I think
I don't.
they had gone for hanging out. I think maybe like that. Some cases, you know, were getting viral and going viral on YouTube regarding in the border of Pakistan. I think India and between India and Pakistan, like that.
Maybe I don't know, or if I know, but right now I'm not remember
Yes,
all those
I think
things.
around as many people know. I think they forgot. You know, I am also one of them, like who forgot. I used to know, but now I don't know which place is that where people were killed like that. I forgot because mostly we don't remember all the time, and whatever we don't think, about which we don't think mostly time about that we forget suddenly. Out of a sudden, like we start forgetting about that. Suppose we will not speak English. Suppose we will forget. You know, we will not think to speak English. I think we can stop. You know, if we will stop learning English, then after some days, you know, such problem we will start getting, you know, like we can't speak English, and as much knowledge we will have right now that we can, you know, we can forget easily, and that much knowledge we will stop getting, like that it happens. That's why, like, it is said that in everything, you know, like we have to keep consistency, we have to be consistent, right? Then we can learn anything. Otherwise nothing is possible without, you know, like staying consistency in everything whatever we are doing.
And if you are not consistent, I'm sure you will forget all those things you have learned.
Yes, really. That's why also for spoken English, not for spoken English, whatever, you know, like goal we have, suppose we are doing right now, you know, suppose you are also doing. So if you will forget that, I think, like if you will not do that, I think you will forget. And I will also forget if I will not do spoken English. Suppose if I will not study, I think. So if I will not study, if I will stop, suppose I will drop out of the school, yes. And if I will not study all the same, if I, after dropping out of the school also, if I will not open any book for reading, up to 2-3 years, after 2-3 years, if I, you know, check myself, you know, check over myself, you know, I think I can see myself down in this field. I can't read anything like that. And even English also, if I will stop speaking, you know, up to till 2 years, 3 years, more than 5 years, I think I can say I will forget completely, out and out. I will forget again. I can't speak. So like that problem we get suddenly if we will do like this. So that's why, like, we have to keep consistency in English also. It is said that if you every day if you will speak, you will improve your English if you will keep speaking different topic, I can say, right?
Yeah, this is
Yes.
very necessary. Whenever you, the people here are like, where are you from, and about your habits, about your hobby or introduction. They're paying more attention on all these things, but try to speak different kinds of topics, different kinds of